welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these two low space buns with Swoop. If you want to see how I did it, keep watching. So for this style, you're going to need some edge booster. You're going to need some Eco-Styler. I'm using the one with the red top. You're going to need a spray bottle filled with water. You're going to need some Got City Glue freeze spray. You're going to need some detangling spray for when you're detangling your hair, or not detangling spray, leave-in conditioner for when you're detangling your hair, or you can use detangler spray, but I'm not going to be using it in this video because I already did that before I actually got on camera. And you're also going to need a comb to part your hair. You're going to need an edge brush, a detangling comb, a hard bristle brush, excuse all the gel that's in there, and a soft bristle brush. You're also going to need some clips, and then you're going to need some bobby pins, and you're also going to need a scarf to tie down your hair once you're done, to get your edges in your hair to lay down. But let's get into how I did it. Okay, so I already parted my hair and I did a regular side part, then I did a slant, then I went straight down in the back. It is a little crooked, but you get the gist. This is also a old braid out, so my hair is not clean, but I would recommend doing this on clean hair, but I did not feel like washing my hair, so I just did it on an old braid out. So right now I'm just wetting my hair because I am going to try and comb through my hair a little bit, and you do want to wet your hair at any time when you're combing or you're brushing your hair. Okay, so I'm first going to go in with some Eco-Styler as my first gel, and then I'm also going to go in with some edge booster right after. I am going to be using a hard bristle brush first as well. So since this is the side of my hair that's not going to have a swoop, I'm just brushing it up in a normal direction, and then I'm brushing the front back. I'm now going in with my edge booster, and I'm going to be using a hard brush first to work the gel in, and then I'm going to be using a soft bristle brush to smooth it out. I'm now putting a ponytail holder on, and I'm just going to leave it in a ponytail. I'm not going to put it in a bun yet. I always do the buns at the end, so I'm just putting it into a ponytail holder to get it out the way. This part is really important. So at the part where you see that the direction of the part is changing, you're going to part it down, and then you're just going to part out a small amount of hair to actually swoop. You don't need a lot, because if you have a lot, it's going to look a little bulky, so you don't need a lot. You just need like a really small section. The section I usually get is usually like in the shape of a triangle kind of, and you kind of like want it in the middle of your head, not like on the side, because you're going to be swooping it. So once you clip that section that you're going to swoop out of the way, in the rest of the hair, you're going to do the same exact thing you did on the other side. So right now I just spray some water on this section and I'm just detangling it. Then I'm going to go in with my Eco-Styler and a hard bristle brush. Then I'm going to go in with my edge booster and I'm going to smooth it out with a soft bristle brush and put it into a ponytail. So the first thing you're going to do is spray it with water because I'm pretty sure it is quite dry by now, and you're just going to detangle this section. So I'm now going to coat this entire section of hair with Eco-Styler, and I'm going to be brushing it out with a hard bristle brush. I'm not really creating the swoop motion right now. I'm just brushing it out and getting it smooth. So now that I've got this section of hair smooth, I'm going to start swooping it on my forehead in the direction that I please. When you're doing this, it's going to be really tedious, but it doesn't take that long, but you just really want to make sure it's smooth. I'm now going in with a small comb just to smooth it out even more, and I'm going to be using some more Eco-Styler to actually loosen it up and kind of smooth it out more with the comb and the soft bristle brush. So while I'm finishing combing the hair in the right direction, I did wrap it around right here, but but I'm gonna end up taking that off and just putting this piece of hair in with the rest of the ponytail, but I do wrap it around just to get a better grip on the swoop. So like I said, I'm now adding it in with the rest of the ponytail. This helps it be really secure, and you don't have to use like a bobby pin to keep it down, but if you want to leave it just wrapped around, that works too. But I like for mine to be really secure, so I did put it in with the rest of the ponytail. I'm now doing my edges, and I'm just putting some edge booster along my edges, and I'm going to get an edge brush and I'm going to start swooping my edges. So I'm now creating the buns, and I'm just twisting the hair in one direction to create the buns. I didn't want them too big and I didn't want them too small, so I did not do a two strand twist. So I just twisted the hair in a direction, and I added a bobby pin at the end to secure the hair. This part is completely optional. I'm just spraying some Got2b glue free spray to ensure that my hair stays laid down and it stays slick. I'm now putting on my silk scarf. I'm going to leave my scarf on for 30 minutes, but I usually leave it on overnight so that it has enough time to harden and dry completely. So this is how it turned out. I now have two low space buns with a little swoop. Ignore my part in the bag. It's really bothering me now, but it is what it is. It still looks nice. That is gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.